guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be walking you guys through my skincare routine for when I want to achieve that glowy glass skin look without putting in too much effort. If you know me, you would know that I just don't believe in 10-step skincare routines. I don't believe that you need a ton of products to have nice skin. If anything, it's more of the opposite. I really think the 10-step skincare routine narrative was just a tactic for companies to sell you more products. And also in the past, I used to experiment with so many products and it literally just made my skin worse. Like, this is what happened when during COVID, I was just trying so many new products and my skin really paid the price of that. It was not cute. My skin was not having it. So ever since then, I've made it a point to switch to minimal skincare and keep it that way because as someone with acne prone and decently sensitive skin, I just know that my skin can't handle a ton of products, and it also can't handle products that are too harsh. Ever since I've switched over to minimal skincare, my skin has just improved so much. I'm not wearing any skin makeup right now. My skin is just super glowy and healthy, especially compared to how it used to be, guys. Like, this is a crazy improvement. So the skincare routine that I'm showing you guys today is literally just 3 products and my skin absolutely loves it. I've been using this brand called Flaskin and it's a new-ish brand. It's actually a sister brand to Numbuzin, and basically their whole thing is simplicity. So they only make products that are actually necessary for your skin health, and I just love that it's only 3 products because it also just makes it so much easier to stick to if you're lazy. I love Flaskin because their skincare is very barrier focused and they really just focus on promoting healthy skin. And everything is gentle enough that I don't have to worry about irritating my sensitive skin, and I don't have to worry about overusing actives or harsh ingredients. When your skin barrier is healthy, your skin just naturally has that healthy glass skin glow, and you don't even have to focus on trying to get glass skin because it just kind of happens naturally. And in case you're wondering, the formulas are fragrance-free, they're acne-safe, safe for sensitive skin, and they're made with plant-based ingredients. If you've ever felt like your skincare routine is too harsh and damaging your skin, this is exactly the type of skincare routine that's designed to fix that. So the first step of this routine is this rice enzyme protein toner, and it's this beautiful milky texture that's just so lightweight and nourishing. My skin just soaks it up immediately. It just drinks it up and instantly hydrates. It has 60% white rice protein and 2% niacinamide. You guys know I love niacinamide. And what's cool about this is that it gently exfoliates at the same time. If you watched my clear skin video, you guys know how much I hate harsh exfoliants, which is why I love this product because it's so gentle. You can actually use it every day because it's that gentle. I love using this whenever my skin feels dry or irritated because it literally just calms it right down. I'll usually do 1 to 2 layers of this right after washing my face, and if I'm feeling a little fancy, I also soak some cotton pads and put that right on my skin like a little DIY face mask. Also, a little side note, if you've ever tried the rice toner from I'm From, this one is similar. This one's a little bit thicker and more slippery. This one is lighter, and in my opinion, it soaks into your skin better. So I actually like this one a little bit better because it also exfoliates. For the second step, I go in with the Soybean Bouncy Protein Essence. This is 77% soybean protein, which helps reduce the appearance of pores and improves skin texture. This one is actually specifically really good for acne-prone skin, and it's super lightweight and hydrating as well. This helps to actually smooth out your skin over time, and if your skin doesn't react to heavier products or like snail mucin products, this is really good as an alternative. And the last step of this 3-step routine is this lotion, and this is the Soymilk Relief Protein Lotion. This is made with 69% soy milk protein and 2% niacinamide. Love to see niacinamide in there again. And this is such a nice moisturizer. It's actually so nourishing, especially when combined with the other 2 products, and it's not greasy at all. It gives you this gorgeous glow, and it just feels amazing and lightweight on the skin. It really gives you that healthy, plump skin look and feel without looking greasy or feeling oily or anything like that. And it layers really well under makeup. And side note, I always bring all of these products down to my neck because you always have to remember to take care of the skin on your neck. I used to always forget that, but it's super important, guys. So yeah, that's my whole skincare routine. You do not need 10 products at all. You just need 3 that actually work and that your skin loves. I just love simple skincare routine lines like this because sometimes with all the products on the market, it can feel really overwhelming, not knowing what to buy, not knowing kind of what products pair well with others, and you don't want to like mix harsh ingredients when you don't know if they go together. Figuring out like, oh my god, does vitamin C pair with niacinamide or retinol, or like what even goes together? I just love that they kind of formulate this line for you. You know that everything mixes well together and everything is just super gentle, nourishing, and I mean, just look at that glow. It kind of speaks for itself. And of course, I'm gonna link everything down below if you want to check it out. And if you do end up trying it, I would love to hear your thoughts on the products as well. I'm sure you guys will absolutely love it. Of course, this is a sponsored routine, but I genuinely really love it and I would not promote it if I didn't actually love and use the products. I have very much turned down skincare brands that they've sent me the products I've tried and I was like, in good faith, I can't promote this. Like, it just didn't live up to my standards, and I know what's good on the market, and if I wouldn't purchase this with my real money, I will not promote it. I genuinely love these products from Flaskin, and also Numbuzin is just a great brand. I also use their skincare products, so I just trust the company as a whole. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!